Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, finances can be a total drag. Between bills, unexpected expenses, and that latte habit that somehow adds up to a car payment, staying on top of your money feels impossible. But what if there was a way to take control, ditch the stress, and maybe even save some money? Intriguing music sting. That's where YNAB, or You Need a Budget, comes in. It's a budgeting app that's taken the internet by storm, promising to change your relationship with money forever. But before you jump in, there's one crucial question: how much does it cost? The budgeting struggle is real. Let's be honest, traditional budgeting feels like a chore. Spreadsheets are confusing, envelope systems are cute but cumbersome, and willpower alone often crumbles when that sale notification pops up on your phone. We've all been there. You meticulously track your income and expenses for a week, feeling proud of your newfound control. Then life gets busy, that spreadsheet gets buried under a mountain of emails, and suddenly, you're back to the mystery bank account balance blues. Why YNAB might be different? YNAB promises a different approach. It's based on a method called envelope budgeting, where you assign incoming money to specific spending categories. But unlike the physical envelopes of the past, YNAB lets you do it all digitally, with a user-friendly interface and features designed to keep you engaged. Here's the key difference: with YNAB, you budget with money you've actually received, not what you expect to receive. This approach forces you to be realistic and prevents that feeling of living on borrowed time. So, how much does YNAB cost? All right, I know what you've been waiting for. Unlike some budgeting apps with multiple tiers and hidden fees, YNAB offers a single, straightforward pricing structure. There are two options. Monthly, this plan will set you back $14.99 every month. Annual, this is the more cost-effective option, priced at $99 per year, which breaks down to roughly $8.25 per month. That's it. No hidden costs, no surprises. Just choose the plan that fits your budget best. Is the cost worth it? Here's the thing: the cost depends entirely on your financial situation and budgeting goals. If you're already a budgeting pro with a system that works, then YNAB might not be a game changer. But if you struggle to stay on top of your finances, feel like you're constantly living paycheck to paycheck, or simply want a more streamlined budgeting experience, then YNAB could be a worthwhile investment. Free trial time. The good news is, you don't have to take my word for it. YNAB offers a free 34-day trial, which gives you ample time to explore the app, test out its features, and see if it clicks with your budgeting style. There's no credit card required to sign up, so you can truly give it a whirl without any risk. YNAB, a budget-friendly budgeting tool, maybe. Look, YNAB isn't free. But here's the thing: a well-designed budget can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in the long run. Think about it. How much are you currently spending on impulse purchases, unnecessary subscriptions, or just plain forgetting to track your expenses? If YNAB helps you cut back on that spending and achieve your financial goals, then the cost becomes an investment in your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.